Hey YouTubers! Well, looks like summer's over, doesn't it? Oh no. Mind you, they've still got to go out, you know. Don't matter, rain or shine, out we go. Well, not so much rain. Anyway, right, excitement or what? I'm just going to follow on. Hopefully you saw the last video where we went out to Newhall, a hotel. Beautiful place. So I'm going to carry on just chatting on our walk about the same such things as it goes, because I really enjoy it. So we're bringing the two little ones today as well. Come on, trying. It's a little bit awkward, but you know, they got to come. They want to go out too. So anyway, I just want to say thanks, all of you. I want to particularly say thanks to Mr. Smith, one of our greatest viewers and subscribers, Cool Scooby, Random Creeper, and we've just got so many new subscribers. I can't remember all the names at the moment, but there's a man called Mr. Dove. Hi to you and welcome to our channel. Now, the reason that we go out and talk as we're going round these places like Newhall Hotel or Middleton Hall or wherever we've been, we get quite a lot of comments and we get a lot of messages from people. I have sort of said this before, but this is true. This isn't just about walking wheels and a dog channel. It's so much more, because a lot of people message us and say, you know what, we love to come on the walks with you virtually, because they can't get out the house. So while we're doing the little ones and Skylar in her wheelchair and spreading the word about the amazing wheelchairs, we're also incorporating a lot more people who really enjoy this channel, because as you see with our videos, where do we go? We've been up Snowdon, beautiful Snowdonia in Wales. We've been down so many historic places, beautiful parks, and it's what you have to watch. So gets a bit caught up with the wheels. I'm going to try and fix this later, a new invention of mine, which you'll be seeing hopefully very soon, because they do, look, see, comes up behind the dog's legs, and then of course if you don't watch it they'll be in a wheelchair, so you have to be very careful, and they tend to walk right next to Skylar for some strange reason. Anyway, I'll hold them back a bit so they can't get caught. Yeah, so there's all these people who are so enjoying our channel for these reasons. See, a little bit awkward with 3 dogs, can be done. In our next videos, which you keep viewing and you'll see, we're going to go to real exciting places. I mean, we're going into town, there's a botanical gardens we can walk around with the dogs, see some lovely things. They've got huge butterflies, lovely little cafe where we can sit down and have a cup of coffee, and you can come with us in our videos and follow us. I'm going to let these two off a little just for a minute, because it can get quite tangled up. They're fine here, we're by the woods, and they'll just have a little run around. Come on in, Skylar. We'll let Skylar go on around in a minute as well, she likes that. So I want to thank all of you who view, because our channel in 2 years has just gone mad. I mean, when we started we never expected this, you know. We were so glad when we got 100 subscribers. It was like, wow. And where are we now? Over 8,000. We're heading towards 10,000, and that's our goal. Get to that 10,000 mark. That's a real achievement. I mean, it's quite hard in that some people take 5-10 years to get these thousands of subscribers Once again, I want to remind everybody, we do not do this for money. We never have. We still don't. We choose not to be monetised because you're then under the umbrella of having to sort of do, you can't do too much what you want to do. So at the moment, we're not monetised, okay? I say that because some people think that I've had one comment, does she really look after them dogs? Or does she just bring them out to do videos of them? Well, no, yeah, I really do look after them, thank you. These are all our dogs. We've got a foster dog, Micah, for the foreseeable future. We're not sure what's going to happen with her. Lovely dog. We've actually house trained her in a month, which is great. She was in a flat, she wasn't house trained, and that wasn't her fault. But we want to visit so many historical places. Then I'm going to read up on the history, and I'm going to let you know about it. So it's a bit of research before we go via Google, which is amazing. And when we get there, we'll go on the lovely walks. You come along. Any history buffs, any nature buffs, you're going to see it all. And at the same time, we're exercising Skylar. When we go places like that, we only take Skylar because it's a little bit much with the three of them. So the little ones come down here with us because they can roam and they're quite safe. They're not near the road because, as I say, it's a little bit awkward. Two other dogs on a lead at the same time. Oh, I want to say hi to all our fans in America, the good old USA. Hi there, hiya. You're great as well. We get loads of comments from you. Not forgetting all of the lovely people. We've got India. We get a lot from India. A lot from Thailand, Brazil, Spain, France. In fact, we're in hundreds and hundreds of countries, this channel, and it's just exceeded all our expectations. We thought when we began this channel, we'll just let people in the UK know about these wheelchairs. We never imagined we were going to be all over the world. And it's like, it's just awesome, you know, fantastic. We're really pleased. Obviously, with 8,000 subscribers, everybody, that's 8,000 people who are pleased as well, who are viewing. So, it's just great, you know, to have that many. And of course, our channel is all down to you. Because obviously if you didn't view and subscribe, we'd have a bit of a miserable channel. So we don't just do or talk about dog wheelchairs. We try to have a really wide range of conversation. We've got our community channel. We've got a link up here on the right. It'll take you to our community channel, Shopify shop, what we've set up, and all our videos. You can link on to all our videos. And please, if you've just come in and started to view the channel, take time out to go back and have a look at all of our videos. I'll tell you, you're going to love them. You will love them. There's some really interesting ones and beautiful places. We get down by Clanberries in Wales, Clanberries Lake. That's a beautiful spot. Just all over the place. One of our trips we want to do very soon is the Malvern Hills. We haven't been to the Malvern Hills with these. So that's on our list of to do, the bucket list. So we'll be doing that quite soon. I'm also going to start my podcasts again. Due to, well, one of the reasons is I like them anyway, but it's been quite nice weather, so we wanted to get out and about in the sun with the dogs, because winter's coming, it's just approaching, and I'll be doing my podcasts. I'm going to do one in, not tomorrow, 2 days time. What we're going to do is notify everybody this time that I'm doing them, and I've got some great stuff for you on that. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be telling you about. I'm going to show you Skylar's sling, a double amputee sling that we developed. I'm actually going to get the material and I'm going to cut it out and make it on my podcast. So if you've got a double amputee, please tune in to that, because that's going to be really good information for you. Come on then. We're going to swing round here, go underneath the trees, and then so she thinks she's back in the woods. She does enjoy that. There ain't much to sniff out here, only the grass. Come on then. Come away from there. So we swing around. Good girl. Yeah. Oh, sometimes she doesn't want to swing around, but oh, she's doing it. She's doing it, isn't ya? She always stops here and has a look. Come on then. Let's go. Good girl. Yeah, I'll go and have a little sniff. Good girl. Snip. No, don't eat the grass. Come on then. Come on then. Come on, good girl. Good girl. Hold on. Come on then. You can have a little go on her own now. Go on then. Yeah. You want to go on your own? Huh? Come on then, Skylar. Good girl. Good girl. Come on then. Yeah, she does like the freedom of going on her own. Don't ya? Good girl. Off you go. You can go and sniff where you like now. Yeah. Oh. Oh, here we go, look. See. Now, these are what you got to watch when you're down here. Go on then, girl. Come on out the bramble. Come on. Out that. Look. Oh, I wish they'd cut these back. Come on out. You're stuck. Come on, there's nobody in there. No squirrel. Nothing. Let's go. Let's go. No. Oh, get out the bramble. Come on. Let's get out the bramble. Quick. Come on out. There's nobody there. I'm going to get away from this a bit because they do cut this, but they're not obviously not doing it enough. There's bramble sticking over the path. Come on then, girl. Let's go. Come on in. She does this. She's pretty sure there's something in the bush that she can get. I can't see anything, but she spotted something. Come on then. Oh, there she is. Come on in. Let's go. Skylar, come on then. Let's go, be here forever. Oh, it's a cat. We've got a cat. There's a kiddie. Should we get a close-up of the kiddie? Hello. Good. Oh, no. Camera shy or what? Yeah. Come on then. Come on. You never know what you're going to see. Come on then. To be honest, the cats round here, I've never seen cats like them. There's a big ginger one. As I remember, cats used to run when they saw a dog. Not these. I mean, the dog can actually run at them and they just sit there with a strange look on their face like, what? And they won't move. Come on. Must be a new breed of cat. Yeah. Well, we're back up on the path. As I say, I didn't think much of the summer we had. What was it? Probably like total, what, 2-3 weeks of warm weather. Sun was that hot you just couldn't go out when it was 28 that time. Now, I don't know. What we do is we moan when it's too hot and we moan when it gets cold. But I hope we don't have a bad winter. It's not good for the dogs either.
How you going?
Oh yeah.
Come on.
Oh, look at a bouncing.
What is Sky?
Yeah.
What is it? Not Sky.
Skylar.
Skylar.
Who was that? Who just went arr? Who went arr?
Come on then.
Come on, you lot.
See you in a bit.
Ta-da.
Come on.
You can tell when she likes them, you know. She sort of goes like that. Her head bounces up and down.
Oh, she likes them, doesn't she?
Come on. Yeah, well, she knows them, doesn't she? She don't do that with the others at Compass.
No.
All you get is a big snarl.
Well, you get some of them, you know. I mean, they don't all like everybody, do
That
they?
is ever so funny. I mean, John's big dog.
Yeah.
She does a stupid face, which she's doing now. The black one loves him, and any other dogs apart from these that she knows. She's like, come on then. Come on. See ya. Ta-da. Come on. Micah. 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 Come on. Micah. Come on. What are you doing? Come on then. Let's go. Quick. Oh. She's staring up into the tree now. Come on then. Come on then, let's go. Oh my life. See, that's the trouble. Once you stop by a tree, she won't want to come away. Hang on, I'll do the clap. Come on, go on you two. Skylar, let's go. There you are, see that? That's her secret clap. Yeah. We trained her with the clap, didn't we? Come on then. Yeah. Yeah, 9 times out of 10, if you do a clap, she'll move. Wouldn't you? Oh. Oh, you love it, don't you? She's a good girl. Yeah, well, we're gonna wrap up in a minute. wrap this one. Don't forget, keep your eye out for your notification for my podcast. Come on then. Oh yeah, come on. Quick. Quick. Come on. Yep. And as I say, I'll have some neoprene when I come on with my podcast, and I'll actually cut the pattern out and show you exactly how you make the double amputee sling seat. Come on. Oh. Come on, Lena. Go on then. Off you go, that's it. I'll let her go now. She well knows her way home. Don't you? You know the way home. Come on then. Skylar. Yeah, look. Told ya, the clap works. We have to stop at the post on the way back. She likes that. Come on, Luna. Oh. Come on. Good girl. Come on in. Good girl. Well, we're home. Come here. Skylar. Come on now. I'll just show you how quick it is to get her out. Yeah? What I mean, it's not really a problem when you've got a dog in a wheelchair. At first, you'll be fumbling around a bit, but a few weeks and you will be an expert. Look at that. What was that, 15 seconds? Anyway, don't forget, tune into my podcast. You keep on viewing all the videos. Everything you do is helping these dogs. So, don't forget, thumbs up, like, share, and definitely bang that subscribe button. And I'll see you in the next one.